Every morning, an alarm clock wakes you up. You rush to school, to work, to meetings, to deadlines. Every decision you make, every birthday you celebrate, every dream you chase is controlled by one invisible force: time. You spend it, you save it, you waste it. People even say, time is money. But have you ever stopped and asked the strangest question imaginable? What actually is time? Who created it? Did it always exist? Or was there a first second when time itself was born? And if time had a beginning, what existed before the beginning? That question has haunted philosophers, physicists, and curious minds for thousands of years. Because the answer changes everything you think you know about reality. Look around you. Nothing exists without change. A leaf falls, a child grows older, the sun rises, stars explode. Even your own heartbeat depends on time moving forward. Without time, nothing could happen. Not a single thought, not a single movement, not even this sentence. Yet here's the strange part. You've never actually seen time. You've seen clocks. You've watched shadows move. You've celebrated New Year's countdowns. But you've never seen time itself, because clocks don't create time. They only measure it. Imagine every clock on Earth disappeared tonight. Every phone, every watch, every calendar. Would tomorrow still arrive? Of course it would, because time doesn't belong to humanity. Humanity belongs to time. For thousands of years, people believed time was absolute, a giant invisible river, flowing equally for everyone. No matter where you were, no matter how fast you moved, time ticked the same. Then, one man changed reality forever. Albert Einstein. He proposed something almost impossible to believe. Time can bend. It can slow down. It can speed up. Imagine identical twins. One remains on Earth. The other boards a spacecraft traveling close to the speed of light. After years, the astronaut returns home. But something impossible has happened. The traveler is younger. Not because of magic. Not because of science fiction. Because time itself passed more slowly for them. This has been confirmed by experiments. Even astronauts aboard the International Space Station age very slightly differently than people on Earth. Because of relativity. Time isn't the same everywhere. It depends on speed and gravity. That means every person in the universe experiences time a little differently. The faster you move, the slower your clock ticks compared to someone standing still. And near an extremely massive object, like a black hole, time slows dramatically. Imagine standing safely far away while your friend spends 1 hour orbiting near a supermassive black hole. When they return, years may have passed for you. 1 hour for them, many years for Earth. Not because anyone travelled to the future, but because the future arrived at different speeds. Time is flexible. Reality itself can stretch it. Then comes the biggest mystery of all. Did time always exist? According to the current Big Bang model, space and time as we know them began with the early expansion of the universe about 13.8 billion years ago. That means asking, what happened before the Big Bang, may not have a simple answer. Some physicists argue that before only makes sense if time already exists. If time itself began with the Big Bang, there may have been no earlier moment in the ordinary sense. Others have proposed ideas such as bouncing universes, eternal inflation, or quantum origins, but these remain active areas of research, not settled facts. The deeper we look, the stranger reality becomes. Maybe time is fundamental. Maybe it emerged from something even deeper. Or maybe our brains simply aren't built to fully understand it. Because every question we ask takes place inside time. And trying to imagine the absence of time may be like asking a two-dimensional drawing to imagine a third dimension. Perhaps the greatest mystery isn't who created time. Perhaps it's why. The universe allows us to experience it at all. Every second that passes is one you'll never get back. Maybe that's why time is the most valuable thing you own. Not because someone created it, but because no one has ever learned how to stop it.